What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape leads automatically using Antigravity. So let's get started. To scrape leads automatically using Antigravity, you're going to start by downloading Antigravity on your computer. So open Antigravity and then over here, download Antigravity on your computer. And then after downloading it, install it. And then after installing it, here, you're going to start by choosing a folder that you'd like to store your files. I'll select the leads scraper as our folder. Here, you can see the folder that we're going to store our files. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to start by creating a Gemini.md file. We're going to add instructions that would like the agent to follow as it performs the action that we're going to instruct it. So in files, I'm going to create a new file. Here you can name this to Gemini.md. Can enter. Then here we're going to add the rules that we would like the agent to follow. So here we're instructing the agent to scrape wellness centers and build interactive dashboard. So we'd like to collect their name, description, email, phone number, address, location, ratings and reviews if available. And then for the implementation, we'd like to use Google Play's API or scrape Google Maps and save the data into an Excel sheet. Then for the output, we'd like the agent to only output well-organized code with setup instructions and requirement text right here. So now to scrape the leads using Antigravity, here we're going to instruct the agent. So we're going to tell the agent, referencing Gemini.md file, find me 10 wellness centers in New York with your name, description, email, phone number, address, and location. Save the data in an Excel sheet to view it. And here I'm going to send. And Antigravity perform the rest of the work for us here. So as it finds the leads for us, we can go over Antigravity to familiarize yourself with the tool. You can either choose a planning or a fast conversation mode. So if you choose the planning mode, the agent plans before executing particular tasks. You can use this for deep research, complex tasks, all collaborative work. And then if you fast mode, the agent will execute tasks directly, which is the mode that I've chosen right now. And then here you can choose the model that you'd like to use. You can choose the Gemini, Claude, or GPT over here. You can upgrade if your limit has been reached. So here you can see it started by analyzing our Gemini.md file, and it searched the web for the wellness centers in New York. Right here, did a holistic search. Then it got the 10 wellness centers right here. To continue to perform a more detailed search, as you can see over here. And here you can see it's even going ahead and installing the necessary tools that you can use to perform the action that we instructed it. So let's give it a second for it to complete the entire action of scraping the 10 wellness centers from our location and added the wellness centers to an Excel sheet to preview the leads. You can see that our agent ran successfully and found the 10 wellness centers in New York, added the wellness centers into an Excel sheet. Right here, you can see the Excel file has been successfully created. We wanted to scrape 10 wellness centers in New York and wanted to add their name, description, email, phone number, address, and location to the Excel sheet that is successfully created right here. When I open Excel, here you can see the spreadsheet that it added our 10 wellness centers in New York. So here is the name of the wellness center, description right here, their email, phone number, address, and their location over here. So we used Antigravity to find these 10 wellness centers in New York and added the details of the wellness centers to our Excel sheet over here. So we added the name, description of each wellness center, their contact information, in this case we added their email and their phone number, the address, and the location using Antigravity. So we can take it a step further and add the results to a dashboard. So here we can instruct the agent and tell it how great. Now add the results into a well-designed dashboard. And then here, I'm going to send. You can see it's proceeding with the process of adding the results to a dashboard. Let's give it a second for it to complete performing the task. This is perfect. So here you can see our agent took some time to generate our dashboard for us. So here it ran the commands and installed the necessary files and tools that it needed to generate our dashboard for us right here. And here you can see it successfully created a modern interactive dashboard to visualize the wellness center data. It displays 10 wellness centers and key metrics and allow for filtering by name, location, or description here. And if we would like to access the dashboard, all we have to do is just click this link to open the dashboard. Now when you open our link here, you can see the dashboard that our agent created for us here. This is incredible. So we got a total of 10 centers, 5 unique locations. So here you can search the wellness center by name, location, or description, and here you can see the 10 wellness centers that it scraped and added to a Excel sheet over here. So you can see we got the name of the wellness center, location, description, address, email, and the phone number. So for each of the wellness center. So we successfully scraped these leads and then successfully added the leads to our Excel sheet over here. And then created this amazing dashboard to view our leads using Antigravity over here. So when we scroll up here, what we did was give it these instructions right here. And then it basically did everything for us. It found the leads and then added the leads to our Excel sheet. And then we further told it to add the leads to a dashboard, which it successfully did. It went ahead and created the dashboard and added the leads and then give us the link to preview the dashboard with the leads right here. We can try testing our agent again to see how it works. So here we can instruct Antigravity and tell it, referencing Gemini.md, find me 10 real estate agencies in Miami with their name, description, email, phone number, address, and location, and then save the data into an Excel sheet to preview it. So now here, instead of wellness centers, we can just say leads scraper right here to broaden it. Let's click on enter here, and the Antigravity will begin the process of finding the leads and with their contact information and their location, and then add the leads to an Excel sheet. And then later on, we're going to instruct it to add the leads into a dashboard, so we can see the beautiful dashboard that it will create and add our leads. Let's give it a minute or so for it to perform all that action. So here, our Antigravity automatically scraped real estate agencies from Miami, as we instructed it right here, and added the real estate agencies to an Excel sheet for us to preview it. So here you can see all we did was just instruct Antigravity to find me 10 real estate agencies in Miami and output the name, description, email, phone number, address, and the location, and then add the results into an Excel sheet. And then it automatically did that. So here you can see it automatically did that, and then here I asked it where is the Excel file, and then it automatically opened the file in Excel for me to preview the leads that it automatically found for us. So now when I open Excel, you can see Antigravity successfully found these 10 real estate agencies in this location and added the real estate agencies to our Excel sheet right here. So here we got the name of the real estate agency, the description, their email, phone number, address, and their location over here. This is incredible. We can proceed and ask it to add the results into a dashboard. So you can tell it now, great, now add the output in a well-designed dashboard. And click on enter. So you can see it's going to proceed and create the dashboard for us and add the leads. Let's give it a minute for it to complete executing on the task. So here you can see that Antigravity successfully generated our dashboard with the results of the real estate agencies in Miami in the dashboard. So now to preview our dashboard, all you have to do is just click this link over here to open it. Now, after clicking our link here, you can see the incredible dashboard that it created for us over here, outputting real estate agencies in Miami over here. So here you can see the marvelous dashboard that it generated for us over here. So we got a total of 10 agencies, 4 key locations, market coverage is high, and the client focus was luxury. Here we can perform a search. We're searching for the agencies either via their name, location, or keyword. And then here you can see the 10 agencies that we scraped using Antigravity. And on each agency, we're getting location, name, description, address, phone number, and the email address right here for each of the 10 agencies that we found using Antigravity. We successfully scraped these real estate agencies in Miami using Antigravity and added the leads right here to this Excel sheet to preview the leads. You can see we added their name, description, email address, phone number, address, and their location. And then we proceeded to output the real estate agencies into a dashboard that we created using Antigravity over here. So this is the incredible dashboard of output. Our Antigravity AI agent works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help setting up Antigravity or scraping unlimited leads using Antigravity, just Click the first link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how you can set up Antigravity and scrape unlimited leads for you. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.